same team next time. This is great.
Oh, yeah, say it again.
I want it the same team next time. This is a great team.
All right.
Look at
See
that.
what I'm saying? See?
No scratches.
No, none of that. Ain't no damage. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Right.
Hey, give me something on that. You got a freelance photographer over here. We got the stud mechanic. We got the boss player driving the truck. Appreciate you, baby. And then we got this maintenance one-on-one right here. Good job, baby.
You
See
too,
how
brother.
we do it? Appreciate it. Yeah. Hold on. Let me act like I'm doing something on the propeller. I might have had. I just want to act like I'm doing something. Shit. I ain't put no pressure on nothing. Oh, here. Ooh, this thing clean too.
All right, the wheels are starting to work their way out.
All right.
Played out.
Yeah, baby. Don't try this at home.
Please don't.
Please don't. Yes, sir, baby.
Leave it to the professional.
Please do. Yes, sir.